Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Joff Reviews, where we dive deep into the latest gadgets and innovations shaping the future of technology. Today we're taking a closer look at the highly anticipated Oppo Reno 13F. This device promises to redefine smartphone performance, design, and user experience. But does it live up to the hype? Let's find out. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out all our latest tech reviews. Alright, let's get started. First impressions matter, and the Oppo Reno 13F doesn't disappoint. Oppo has always been known for its sleek and stylish designs, and the Reno 13F continues that legacy. The device features a premium glass back with a matte finish, reducing fingerprints and giving it a sophisticated look. At just 7.7mm thick and weighing 192 grams, the Reno 13F feels incredibly light and comfortable in hand. The flat edges not only enhance grip, but also give it a modern, futuristic aesthetic. Available in two stunning colors, skyline blue and graphite gray, this phone is a fashion statement as much as it is a technological marvel. Moving on to the display, the Oppo Reno 13F boasts a 6.67-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant, the contrast is deep, and the brightness levels are impressive, even under direct sunlight. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, gaming, or scrolling through social media, the visuals are nothing short of stunning. With a full HD Plus resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and HDR10 Plus support, every detail pops. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures buttery-smooth scrolling and responsiveness, making it a joy to use for both casual users and power users alike. Now let's talk about the camera, a key highlight of any Oppo device. The Reno 13F features a triple camera setup headlined by a 50-megapixel primary sensor with OIS, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 2-megapixel macro camera. Oppo's AI-powered imaging software ensures that every shot is optimized for clarity, color accuracy, and detail. In daylight, the photos are sharp and vibrant with excellent dynamic range. The ultra-wide lens captures expansive landscapes without distortion, while the macro lens lets you get up close with intricate details. Low-light performance is equally impressive thanks to Oppo's Night Mode 3.0, which brightens up dark scenes without introducing too much noise. When it comes to video quality, this device is capable of 4K recording at 30 frames per second, but the lack of effective stabilization makes the footage quite shaky, which might not be ideal for vlogging. On the other hand, the 32-megapixel front camera shines, delivering sharp, detailed selfies, which is perfect for video calls as well. Under the hood, the Oppo Reno 13F is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1, a 4nm chipset paired with up to 12GB of RAM and two storage options, 256 and 512GB of internal storage. This combination ensures seamless multitasking, fast app launches, and smooth gaming performance. Although this CPU is considered somewhat outdated by 2025 standards, it still manages to deliver reliable performance and handles everyday tasks with ease. While it may not compete with the latest processors in terms of raw power or efficiency, it remains a capable option for users with moderate computing needs. Whether you're playing or editing videos, the Reno 13F handles it all with ease. The device also features a vapor chamber cooling system, which keeps temperatures in check during extended gaming sessions. Battery life is another area where the Reno 13F shines. It packs a 5,800 mAh battery, which easily lasts a full day of heavy usage. And when it's time to recharge, Oppo's 45 watts SuperVOOC fast charging technology comes to rescue. Just 30 minutes of charging gives you up to 44% battery, and a full charge takes more or less than 90 minutes. Though this is quite slower compared to other competition out there with similar price point. On the software side, the Reno 13F runs on ColorOS 15, based on Android 15. The interface is clean, intuitive, and packed with useful AI features like Screen Translator, AI Writer, AI Summary, and seamless file integration from Oppo devices to iOS. Additional features include an in-display fingerprint scanner, 5G connectivity, IP69 water and dust resistant, and stereo speakers, delivering an immersive audio experience. So, here is my final verdict. Is the Oppo Reno 13F worth your money? Absolutely. With a starting price of 1,299 dirhams here in Dubai, this device offers a compelling balance of features and affordability. Positioned as a mid-range option, it provides excellent value for those seeking premium functionality without breaking the bank. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or a casual user, this price point makes it an attractive choice in a competitive market. Alright, that's for today's review of the Oppo Reno 13F. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.